You're ready to make big things happen with your blog, but no matter what you do, you're just not getting the page views. You're not getting the traffic you need. How do you get more traffic? If you thought Pinterest was just for recipes and fashion, think again. In this video, I am sharing my 5 best strategies that you can implement today to start growing your website traffic with Pinterest. And be sure to stick around all the way till the end of the video, and I'll tell you how you can get my free Pinterest business plan checklist, which will give you all the information you need to know to use Pinterest for business successfully. If this is your first time watching, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my best digital agency tech hacks. If you've been wondering how the Pinterest business model is the newest growth hack in digital marketing, you're in the right place. I'm Kate Murray. After working in corporate and agency marketing for 14 years, I really didn't believe that Pinterest was going to be what exploded my blog traffic. But after testing out multiple different strategies, I finally found the one that nearly doubled my website traffic in just 2 months. Here's what you can do to start growing your website traffic with Pinterest. The first thing you need to do if you have a personal Pinterest account is to change it over to a business account and make sure you optimize your profile for buyer keywords. Click on Settings and enter your target keywords right inside your profile. If you don't know what keywords to use, I suggest using a free Chrome extension, Keywords Everywhere. Number 2, Pinterest is a search engine, just like Google and YouTube. So you need to use very targeted keywords in the descriptions of both your pins and your boards. Tip number 3, you've got to create a beautiful and eye-catching pin design. Pinterest is a search engine, but it's a visual search engine. People really care about what your pin looks like. Are you currently using Pinterest for business? I would love to know what percentage of your website traffic comes directly from Pinterest. Let me know in the comments below. Tip number 4, add social sharing buttons to every single blog post. It's not enough to just have your own social profiles on your website. Your readers need to be able to share easily. Here's a pro tip. Using a scheduler like Tailwind can help increase the reach of your pins like you would never even believe. I was pinning 20 pins a day manually, but when I started pinning 100 pins a day, my reach exploded. Tip 5, create a separate board and an entire collection of affiliate pins for all of your affiliate relationships. Now that you know where to get started, download a copy of my free Pinterest business plan checklist to help you get started implementing each of these steps and growing traffic to your website. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe because next week I'll be talking all about how to make your pins beautiful so they can stand out in a sea of ugly pins and you can get the click-through rate you've been looking for.